Welcome back. If you've ever wanted to check all your reminders to donate on the Facebook app on PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to find them step by step, so you can access everything in just a few clicks. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu, where you can find all the important settings and activity options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This section keeps track of many actions and interactions connected to your account, so it's the best place to look when you want to review something specific. Inside the activity log, go to your Facebook activity. This is where Facebook organizes different types of activity related to your account. It may seem like a lot at first, but once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to navigate. Now, find and click on Fundraisers. After that, enter Products. This is the area where you can check the reminders and donation-related activity tied to your account. If you've had reminders saved or connected through Facebook's fundraising features, this is where you'll be able to review them. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll carefully through the available options. Facebook updates can sometimes move things around slightly, but the path is still the same. Just follow the menu in order and you'll get to the right place. And that's it. You now know how to find all your reminders to donate on Facebook app on PC with the new update. If this helped, make sure to keep following for more simple tutorials like this one.